Uba Ernest Mori mendakasngi ke absen terik unai lor ulaong banakaliang ke parti BJP kampat rai banai tiket yanu habakran bakilat Pathai khubor uba Mori ulang bagidan katu kan ni kibriu ki bali a Jingkren syakilat Pathai khubor ha ka jaka jong keseng BJP bakani kalong ka babak labha uba Mori ulang bakajing ni a Jingkren jong katu kan ni kibriu kalong ke ai ke persya ya keseng BJP ulang ru bahaswa banai kanu ke Jingkren syakilat Pathai khubor kini banyo jingbet chwa na ka parti ulang ru banakaliang ginong elam kasarkar pedeng kila dapat betha bakino ki bakwa ban ai ke Jingkren syakilat Pathai khubor kini ban pentip shwa sya ke media sel jong ke parti berhadir kata kinsala ban ai ke Jingkren syakilat Pathai khubor.
We have not decided to give ticket to anybody. We are having the aspirant candidate, and I have seen that few people went to the press and give the press briefing on behalf of the party, which is very wrong. They are not authorized to go for the press briefing. It is against the party because they are not authorized people to go for the press briefing. Even already the circular has come from the central office that anyone go to the press, they have to seek the permission from the media cell. Then after that they can go for the press. And for this press briefing conference which they have made, it is against the party.